Hello guys. Today's topic is how open source software make money. So for that topic, we take a Blender software. The question is, how Blender or any other software make money, if the software doesn't make any profit, so how they gave a salary to their developers. And you also get a one fun facts about Blender developers. So let's begin. You all know that, and if anyone don't know. So I would like to tell that, Blender is a open source software. It means Blender doesn't charge any fees to run in a PC or laptop, so how it makes a money? The answer of that question is Blender is make a money, through a different ways. Like if you go a Blender website, you notice, when you click a three lines, present in a upper right side, the one tab is appear. You're seeing a last option in that tab is, donate. When people click that option, they can contribute a money, that money goes to Blender development funds, it helps to Blender in term of finance. This is a one-off way which help Blender to make money. Blender has also make money through other ways like, sell their merchandises, training and subscription. But according to 2020 financial report, Blender made over 80% of its income from the development fund. The next question is appear. If Blender is paid, so it make that much money compared to now? The answer is no, because one of the reason is the Blender is popular, because it's open source. So the next we talk about fun facts of Blender developers. Which is, Blender doesn't give any salary or money to their developers. Because Blender developed our work for free. That's mean anybody can participate to development of Blender. That is a reason why Blender interface so user friendly, because anybody can contribute to develop a Blender. Like if you have some awesome idea for Blender, you can work for it. Blender gave you that much freedom to their users.